Okay, the exterior work is probably going to be finished next week, and we're starting to reinstall all the light fixtures, pictures, and maps now that all the painting is done, both the white walls and the stain in the ceiling. As you can see, the railings of the deck have got two coats. Got a third to make it darker so that it's going to match the interior. Still working on the pergola. As you can see, the design, these 2x6 or 2x8s are slanted to allow light but not the sunlight getting in, and on top of this will be a plastic protector on top of the joists and wood. I don't know how much of this you can see, but there is a barbecue area below. And what we want to do is we're going to add kind of a slant roof over here so that if it rains, it'll protect the barbecue area. This is the vantage point. I'm standing above the pergola in one of the upstairs bedrooms, showing the expansiveness of the balcony. And in addition, access now is available directly from the bedrooms out to the new deck. All the vertical posts that were here before have been removed so we can have the balcony. And as you can see, they're totally replacing all the fascia board and ceiling support structures. And once they're all painted a dark black, then it'll all look the same. Again, we're going with the black or negro color on the support beams, and tongue and groove will be the natural stain. For the other side, you can see here that major runoff from the roof is in this central valley, and we're going to extend on both sides support for the gutters that'll drain into a canaleta outside the building perimeter. We're getting ready to put in the hardwood floor and the new mezzanine level. As you can see, we've got the pictures and the maps starting to pull together. And everywhere we've got pictures need to be dusted off, but the pictures are being hung as we speak. You can see the new light fixture to the left and the TV. We've got the plug, cable TV outlet, and a PVC in the wall that's going to connect all the internet and wires that need to be for the TV and possible stereo system. In addition to the walls, we've gone to the trouble of painting the entire ceiling with another coat of the natural stain. It's going to tie it all together for that mountain rustic look. And we've got the new triple sliding glass door in the center, which will open up for direct access out to the new balcony. It's laundry day, a little messy, but it's all pulling together. As you can see, all the artwork has been hung, and the entire interior, both ceiling and walls, have been painted. Still a mess downstairs, but again, we're going to change the couch and chair covers to white to match the dining chairs. And you can see the way the ceiling looks and the fan, and they all seem to tie together with the same color scheme. It's kind of a mess, but as you can see, the pictures and the walls and ceiling in the office area off the pergola have been painted, and the pictures are all up. This gives you an idea of where the pergola will be in relationship to the office, study, or den, and it's a direct walk out to the covered area. The barbecued area will be to the right. Again, it'll be covered, but it's going to be a nice sheltered area for lounging, sunsets, and meals. Sunsets will probably be viewed best from the upstairs balcony. Another shot from the dining table out, looking at the exposed ceiling, which matches the exposed ceiling of the lower level of the terrace. But again, that lower level of the terrace needs one or two more coats so that it matches the color of the interior wood. As far as the color scheme, the railing and deck for the balcony will be the same color as the tongue and groove, but all the cross beams and the posts in the lower level will be the dark stain to match the fascia boards, which will run along the roof line. Another shot of the pergola from the garden area. You'll see that it's a bit lower than the upper deck. It slopes, so water runoff from the building out to the garden. And also you can see here that below the deck area, There's going to be a very nice shaded lounge area as well, so we'll have seating out here right next to the swimming pool. The major difference in this whole deck area was that because of the floor-to-ceiling windows with 3 stories, it was so hot because it had direct sunlight. Now, as you can see, all of the windows are shaded and it keeps the interior very fresh.